What's up YouTube, it's JP, we are back with another video, just a quick video. I'm on live right now, so I thought I'd just do a quick thing, you know how it is. Yeah, something's not right with my laptop. I did an update on it, and now I've got to take it back because there's no audio in my laptop. I tried everything, but it says that there's audio. It says there's an audio, the audio is working perfectly, but there's no sound. So they said they fixed the problem, you know, when you do all the stuff on it, but nothing's working. So I've got to go and take it down to the store, to Currys, to PC World right now. Well, in the next hour, I'll take it down and I will get it looked at, because I have no idea. I've only had it 9 months, so I need my laptop for work and stuff. So I've got to go take that down. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with it. And we're almost at 70k as well. We're almost at 70k. I knew I would be at 70k by the weekend. And here we are at 70k. So by next week, we should be at 100k. We've just got 30k to go. We're going to smash this. We're going to smash it clean out the park. Got 30k to go. And then we've got 100k. So let's keep hustling. Let's keep doing it. Keep grinding, you know, and it's because I'm on all day, every day. You know, if you're streaming all day, every day, you can reach your goals. You put in the work, then it's all good. It's all good. You'll get there. So put the hard work in, put the time in, and eventually you'll hit your goals eventually. But yeah, I just wanted to say that I'm gonna do a later video once I know what's what with my laptop. But for now, I'll talk to you guys soon. Hey YouTube, we are back. How's it going? Just got back from waiting in a long queue outside Currys, just so I can return my laptop. Well, not return it, but you know what I mean. I have to go sort my laptop out, so yeah. It's crazy. I think it's trying to rain, you know, but I'm not quite sure. Yeah, I think it's trying to rain. But it was spitting earlier, waiting in that long queue. So finally, finally finished now. Well, I say finished. Some other issues with my laptop. Yeah, there's other issues with it. I was just gonna do the audio, but get the audio scene to. But I said to him, you know what? Let me just do this all of one thing, and done. Hold on. Yeah, basically, it's like when I'm on FB, checking my stuff on there, sometimes it's okay, but then there's other times where it goes, there's like black lines, they're like black lines on the screen, and then you can't do anything on it, so then I have to come off, reset my computer, wait a while, go back on, and then it's fine. And when I want to edit, the first clip's fine, but then when I go to edit the second clip, now the second one freezes in the middle. So I have to take that off, reset, start up again, and then it's fine. And I said, it does that all the time, it keeps crashing. There's no other stuff with going on with it. But I just said I was only going to come here and get the audio sorted. But I thought, you know what, get everything sorted. The whole thing's covered. I've only had it 9 months. So it's covered for everything. So I just said, you know what, just deal with whatever you need to deal with. So they're going to call me when it's done, and I'll go back and pick it up. But when you go to pick it up, you literally just go and instead of queuing up, you just have your receipt, say that I'm just here to collect my laptop or whatever, and then you go in and collect it. But yeah, so I just went to buy some ice because I need some ice. I'm having a drink tonight. I'm having some Baileys. I will be, I'll be streaming again later on. I'm gonna go in and chill and go from there. So I will see you guys later. I'm out.